So how do you think? Also,
Can I get a question for myself as well?
you can take bahar se. Just make sure you not mess up with the camera.
I
There's also
won't.
pineapple and stuff like that.
Ooh, 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 wow. Whoa. Emotional support.
Today we have with us. Ooh, introduce karna.
Okay. So, my name is Aniket Singh. For you guys, the whole identity of me is I am her boyfriend and nothing else for
Nothing
today.
else.
Nothing
Okay.
else for today. Yeah.
What do you mean by nothing else for today?
I mean, at this point, abhi to nothing else because I'm with you.
So what else you are actually?
I'm a boy, I'm a man,
You're just a guy.
just a guy. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yes. So today we have my boyfriend with me, and this is our first episode together. And I'm really excited, but also I don't know how to do this because I've not done it with people yet.
Yeah.
Am I doing it right?
Yes, yes, all good.
Okay. Okay. You can also look camera में थोड़ा बीच में ना. ठीक है. So do you want to tell them what we are gonna talk about?
I don't know what we're gonna talk about.
You don't know. I told you.
Um,
Okay. So one thing about him is he's a भुलक्कड़. मतलब I'm not exaggerating. Do you wanna give them an example?
yeah, I mean, one of the
The
examples,
patent example, the exam example.
the like the patent example for this particular thing is ki there was one day when Shruti forgot to tell me that it's my exam today, and I did not give my exam. I slept the whole day, and I did not wake up for my exam. So that kind of bhulakkad I am, and that kind of responsible person she is.
And I'm
That
calling him and he's not picking up the call. For some reason his phone is always on silent. And he उठाए and he's like, oh my god, क्या हो गया? Like, is everything okay? And I'm like, bro, shut the fuck up. What are you saying? मतलब उसको तब तक भी रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा था तो आई सेड कि जस्ट रीड माय मैसेजेस सो ही रेड की एग्जाम है या ओके
she
सो
keeps a track of my date sheet and everything.
yeah because that's what I do right
Yeah,
because that's what girls are supposed to do.
no.
So yes, that is what we are going to talk about. As you must have figured it by now, we are very poles apart. हमारी बहुत different personalities हैं. मेरे को सब चीज़ें शेड्यूल चाहिए होती हैं. I need to know what I'm doing. सुबह उठ के 8 बजे से लेके रात के 12 बजे तक. And he's the type of a person who's very. It's okay. We'll see.
Just
Let's
go
just
with the
go.
flow.
Even though I like the flow. Sorry, I like the flow, but it's just not something that I think I can do well. And whenever we even go out, I have this plan कि we'll leave इतने बजे हम ऐसे estimate हाँ इतना जो पहुँच जाएंगे. हम कहीं भी जाते हैं मैं पहले से मेन्यू छाट के चीज़ें डिसाइड करके जाती हूँ कि हम ये ऑर्डर करने वाले हैं. And
Sounds like a you problem.
sounds like a you problem. And he's always there कि let's just try this and I'm like कि कल रात से मैंने अब इस चीज़ का मन बना रखा था. Are we not gonna try that? Yes. So
So,
because this is my first episode with someone, so I've not actually prepared anything. So I think I'm just gonna go with the flow and
good.
and I'm just gonna maybe talk about and ask questions around our personalities and maybe you can also do the same because you are someone that I know and I can expect you
Sure.
to do things.
If I'll be having any question, then
If you don't have any questions, you'll have to make and ask.
okay.
Okay. So how do you think our different personalities work together? Like how do you think it works?
Like in our case, it is working really great.
Okay.
But I've seen most of the people struggling with it.
Hmm.
Not just the couples, but friends as well. Sometimes colleagues as well, and a lot of things. So on a daily basis, I look at a lot of people having different opinion and struggling with that. And I feel that initially when we came together, we were the same. But with the long time,
Okay, so tell them how long you have been together for. You have to count it seriously. He's just doing it for the show. He knows it.
6 years.
It's been more than 6 years.
Yeah, 6 year and some months.
Yeah.
Not some months. I would say
And
2 months.
yeah, and it's been like almost 7 years that we have known each other.
Yeah,
So you can say कि हम ऐसे practically
yeah. So it
ऐसे
used to
yeah,
be a issue. Sorry, go on. Yeah, so it used to be a issue in the start
an
when,
issue.
huh?
Used to be an issue.
Oh, sorry. It used to be an issue in the start, but now it is better. I would say not better, but it's going awesome.
Okay.
It's no longer an issue anymore.
Can
An
you
issue anymore.
think of an example where our different personalities or maybe a different p- viewpoints maybe clashed in some situation?
Yeah, a lot.
Okay.
See, one thing about me that I like my weekends very slow, very comfy, and not doing anything at all. But on the other hand, Shruti is someone who always want to experience something new. And weekend is the only time which she gets with me. So
Tell them what you
she
do.
either wants to make a reel of a new thing, or maybe want to go to a new cafe, want to try a new cuisine, maybe pottery class, paint class, whatnot. She finds every new thing
But you
every
enjoy
day.
it.
I love it, but
Exactly.
the thing is, later on I regret. Ki, yaar, I only had one day.
But you don't, please, you don't regret one bit of it.
I mean, yeah, somewhere you can say that,
Okay,
but
so I'll tell you, like whatever he's saying is right. So because I'm a very कि ये भी कर लेते हैं वो भी कर लेते हैं, and he is very cooperative in that. मतलब he will never say no to me in any of these things. मतलब अगर मैं I remember we went for strawberry picking and it was okay. So I found it through a reel and it was very random. 2 years back.
yeah,
And I just saw it आज रात को and I saw कि वो कल उनका last day ही है because strawberry season is going. So I texted him कि it is ऐसे ऐसा and it was expensive. And मतलब अब तो मतलब अभी भी हम मतलब मैं तो स्टूडेंट ही हूँ ही इज लाइक वर्किंग बट 2 साल पहले तक भी मतलब स्टार्टिंग ही था वर्किंग का तो ऑफ कोर्स वी हैड टू थिंक अभी भी सोचना ही पड़ता है बट उस टाइम पे और ज्यादा सोचना पड़ता था
अभी भी सोचना. Wow,
तो ऑफ कोर्स ऐसे अंधे होके थोड़ी खर्चा करेंगे
he doesn't think a bit before buying anything.
आई
Not at
डोंट
all.
एक मिनट आई डोंट थिंक सीरियसली
Okay, ठीक है, you do
आई
it
डोंट थिंक
sometime.
आई डोंट थिंक बिफोर बाइंग हिम एनीथिंग बट अपने लिए आई डू थिंक शट अप सो यस व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि
Strawberry picking.
हाँ तो दैट वाज वन थिंग तो अब जैसे दिस इज वन एग्जांपल ही नेवर सेज नो बट द थिंग इज कि ओवर टाइम बिकॉज वी लिव इन दिल्ली तो देयर आर लिमिटेड एक्सपीरियंसेस
Hmm.
राइट एंड ऑफ कोर्स ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि मैं हर महीने कुछ ढूंढ पा रही हूँ या मे बी हर 2 महीने तो बिकॉज अब थिंग्स कम हो गई हैं आई डोंट हैव एनी सजेशंस कि लेट्स गो आउट हेयर और मे बी ट्राई दिस एंड ही इज ऑलवेज कंप्लेनिंग कि यू वांट टू मीट घर पे ही लाइक तेरे को घर पे ही बैठे रहना है तेरे को कुछ काम नहीं करना तेरे को कुछ कहीं
Nahin,
जाना नहीं
for
है
me,
आना नहीं है
I'll tell you. For me, our ideal weekend would be that uh, I met her. We went somewhere, had a brunch or a lunch, and then we came back. We are at home watching something, or maybe just sitting
that
with
is
each
what we
other.
do
So no, that's not what we do.
most of the time that is what we do
Now it's been a long time since we have gone
that is because
somewhere,
we had
since we have
other
been somewhere, किसी like new place or something. It's not a complaint or all anything, but it's just कि अभी हम दोनों ही lazy हो गए हैं काफी.
it's not about lazy but we also had other things in between जैसे
Yeah.
I was doing my course तो it was weekend का तो we used to have limited
Hmm.
time तो उसमें फिर ये लगता था कि कहाँ ही जाएं let's just chill relax वाला
True.
तो I think 2 months तो उसी में थे
Yeah.
yeah so
And I have another example. So about me, I am that kind of person, that annoying guy who likes to eat everything after checking the back of it. जो nutrition वाला वो page sort of like होता है content. I always check that before buying anything or eating anything. And I have that annoying habit कि नहीं ये नहीं करना वो नहीं खाऊंगा मैं ये नहीं खाऊं. I'm not picky with things, but
he's not at all picky he eats
yeah,
everything
this is one thing
literally everything
this is one thing which my mom and my relative everyone loves about me, that I eat anything, I don't
also
think
he's the
twice
younger
about it.
kid
Yeah, and I basically like to eat healthy. Whatever I'm having, I would like to choose an alternative of it which is healthy. So I go for these kind of options. But she is very random. Right now she wants to eat noodles, and the other in the next half an hour she would be wanting to have a sandwich or something like that. And for me, it is very hard to adjust or something, and it is for her as well at the same time, because most of the time she have to and have to order something which is also something कि अनिकेत भी खा पाए, just under the pressure कि नहीं यार ये फिर if I'll have this तो अनिकेत क्या खाएगा or something XYZ. So yeah, that's something where I won't say we clash, but at the end we have found our ways now. We come to a common point and we order something which is common for each other, which we both can have. But yeah,
So, what is your general point of view about two different type of people being together, maybe in a relationship or friendship? Like,
hmm.
do you think there are a lot of maybe compromises or things that a person is just letting go?
I would say it's very subjective. There is not any common point or a stereotypical point
Hmm.
which you can say, ki, okay, they are able to manage with each other or something like that. It depends on a person to person basis and their
Of course.
personality. Because if it will be with me, so I am that kind of guy ki I will adjust for other people any day. Or
Hmm.
I will just, so if Shruti wants to do something else, and if I am not even 10% sure about it or don't want to do it, but I'll still do it because Shruti wants to do it. So that is something which matters to me.
And
So
sometimes
I'll
it
go
is
for that.
very annoying for me, I think, because there are days that,
Yeah.
okay, so for example, if we want to order something, so I'll ask him ki what do you want to have, and he's like very कि I can have anything, like अपनी मर्जी से तू देख ले, and the thing is कि अपनी मर्जी से मेरा कुछ मन ही नहीं है, तो मैं चाह के भी कैसे देखूं, and I'm trying to explain it to him कि listen मेरा कुछ मन नहीं है, मे बी तू मेरे को बता, तो हो सकता है सुन के if you know तेरा मन है तो मेरा मन कर जाए, and he is very कि अरे नहीं मैं नहीं बता सकता, ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता.
The only problem with that is that I can legit have anything she will order. I will not even complain about it. But if you'll ask Shruti, Indian खाना है या Chinese खाना है? पता नहीं. अच्छा नूडल्स मंगा लेते हैं. नहीं यार नूडल्स नहीं. अच्छा रामेन बना लेते हैं. नहीं यार. अच्छा सैंडविच. अच्छा नहीं यार डोसा. अरे you'll give her thousands of options. I have chat in this phone. I can show you. I have given her like 20 different options and she said no to each and every one. So yes, I feel again it's a you problem, but yeah,
It's a you problem, my problem is your problem.
yeah it is.
Yeah, I know. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
If you had a chance to be me for a day, for example, if we switched bodies,
Mm-hmm.
so first tell me what is your general day is like, and then tell me what will be your day like if you are me.
Okay, so yeah, for me, my general day would be that I wake up in the morning. Now that since past 1 week I've been not on my schedule, but in general I wake up around 9ish. I would say, sorry, 9ish or 9:30, and then after that I have little bit something chota mota which is good for my gut in the morning. Maybe fruit, maybe I'll start with the coffee or something like that. Then I'll go gym. Gym से आके I get ready for my office, of course, and prepare my meal. I have my meal. I go to office. Office में did all the work, etc., etc. After traveling for 1.5 hour in Gurgaon, of course, and after that, office में just normal how the schedule is. But meal में I make sure that I'm not missing out on any meal or any क्या कहते हैं protein intake or carb intake and etc etc. So I'm that kind of guy, of course. And after that, when I come back home, I have my dinner, and then I speak to her or maybe sometimes FaceTime her, and then just I go to sleep when she wants me to, when I am not even able to be awake for long. So yeah.
Okay, and how will your day look like if you were me?
See, I'll be having a very less idea about it because she does not tell me when she go to bed. So,
Okay. that
so we say
that's
bye to
not
each other
that's not
around
true.
1 or 1:30, and then I get to know that she slept around 5 in the morning
Okay,
because
so I
I
do.
know she was working or maybe XYZ, but the only complaint which I always have from her is कि एक message डाल दे
It's
whenever you're
just कि
going to bed.
sometimes, okay, so they're like, you're not talking. I just don't remember it. I'm very good at remembering things in general, yes.
But just
It's
this
just
one thing.
कि क्योंकि वो क्लिक ही नहीं होता, तो इट्स लाइक जैसे आई हैव माई टास्क फॉर द डे.
Hmm.
ठीक है, मे बी अगर मैं नहीं कर पाई या फिर देर आर थिंग्स जो मैं मे बी रात में ही कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज थोड़ी शांति होती है या स्टफ लाइक दैट. तो इफ आई एम डूइंग इट तो आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग थिंग्स कि ओके ये हो गया देन दिस, ये हो गया देन दिस, एंड वंस इट इज डन आई एम ऑफ टू बेड. एंड समटाइम्स बिकॉज आई वर्क फ्रीलांस, so मोस्ट ऑफ माई वर्क रिक्वायर्स माई फोन ओनली. तो देर आर टाइम्स कि मैं बेड पे सोने वाली पोजिशन में लेट के मैं अपने फोन पे आई एम जस्ट एडिटिंग और मे बी डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Now, even though I get this point,
बट
but the
मुझे
problem,
कंप्लेन तो करनी
no,
है,
no, no, I'll tell you.
अगर
The
बिच तो मैं
problem with
हूँ.
now the problem with this is कि previously I used to calculate कि हाँ these many hours she was at rest, इसने सो लिया है, और अगर it is less than that, so I used to crib about that and I used to tell her कि यार ये क्या है, you only sleep for 5 hours or 4 hours. This was back then जब you used to tell me कि okay I'm going to bed, and that is also I'm not sure if that was correct time or not.
You are
But
just
हाँ
portraying me such a wrong person. That is not who I am.
joke. But अभी मतलब हाँ, so that's the only issue. But what I was telling, question क्या
My
था?
day.
Oh yeah, her day. चलो let's come back to that. So she
ऑल्सो
wakes
अभी
up
ये
in.
एक हफ्ते से ही होने लगा है, तो ही इज लाइक वेरी फिक्सेटेड ऑन द फैक्ट दैट आई स्लीप वेरी लेट. एंड
Hmm.
उसके दिमाग से वो चीज जा ही नहीं रही है बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर हिम टॉकिंग अबाउट इट ऑन आवर वे बैक. आई रिमेंबर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट सुबह जब हम मिले. ही इज जस्ट नॉट लेटिंग इट गो. इज
And I'll tell you the reason. Maybe just an observation now that I think of it, because lately she she has a urge of sleeping around afternoon. ऐसे कभी भी or taking rest कि मैं थोड़ी देर सो लेती something like that, because this was not the case previously, and अभी इसको थोड़ा like सोना वोना होता है, so I feel कि what she does at night क्या हो गया है, what happened to
रात में तो
Shruti.
बेटा मैं सोती ही नहीं. आई वेक अप अर्ली एंड आई स्लीप रात में लेट ही. इट्स जस्ट
That
कि
was so fucked up when we used to go to school,
या
because we both used to be wake up till 4 or 5, and then within next 2 hours you have to wake up and go to school, and it was hell for me to be very honest, because she was one of those people who just change her school, तो उसको ये रहता था कि कोई नहीं, छुट्टी मार लेती हूँ. And I was one of those guys कि school तो जाना ही है, but I मतलब I think when she changed her school, at that point of time I've taken most leaves I could have ever take मतलब during my वो school time or anything. तो वही it was very problematic now that I think of it, क्योंकि I used to sleep for just 2 or 3 hours after school as well. I used
एग्जैक्टली.
to go
एंड ये
to
मुझे बोल रहा है.
tuition and whatnot,
आई
just
स्टिल
because of you, because I used to speak with
या
you.
तो क्यों बन रहा था लवर बॉय, मत बनता.
ऐसे ही मैं तो हूँ ही lover boy.
दैट इज अ यू प्रॉब्लम.
So yeah, that's that. हाँ now.
You keep going back to other topics. Let's jump back to the schedule wala thing.
Okay, yeah,
Maybe your my day would look like
yes.
if you were me.
So she will wake up around.
I will. You are me, na?
Okay. If I'm her, so I'll wake up around. So do I need to follow exactly what your schedule is, or should I make mine, which I aspire your schedule to be?
You aspire my schedule to be
Okay. In
like
that
what
case,
you will do if you were Shruti.
what I'll do if I was Shruti is I'll wake up around 8 or 9, which is her usual time. After that, I'll make my breakfast. Something good, something healthy, something with fiber and protein, of course. Because this is
I
one
do
thing
take
which
protein
is,
now.
yeah, good for you. So, yeah, something good for breakfast. And then I'll do my work and everything, whichever is pending. Maybe editing, maybe making a to-do list for the whole day, that what I need to do today, which is one thing which she does one day prior, रात में सोने से पहले. But if I'll be the sane guy, तो I'll do it that day, सुबह morning में
Okay.
उठ के. And after that, once I had my breakfast, once I have done thoda editing and all, then in afternoon I'll go gym. I'll hit gym for at least 45 minutes or an hour, or an hour, sorry. So इसका थोड़ा है ये टोक देने का. So हाँ, afternoon में after doing that, after coming back from gym, I'll finally have my lunch around 3, which
Boring day.
yeah, shut up. and then I'll watch something if I don't have my work, something sort of like K drama, maybe something which I enjoy, maybe that, or maybe I'll read books, maybe because I've bought 50 books, I've not read any of them, so I would
I'm just
like,
not in my zone right now.
that's okay, Babu. It's okay. But this is what I would do, na?
Okay.
So I'll read my books, and after that I'll prepare some healthy snack for
तो
evening.
पूरे दिन मैं स्नैक्स खाती रहूंगी.
I'll have, नहीं मैंने बोला सुबह तो अच्छा खाना
Okay.
खाओगे ना, and then snack खाने के बाद again I'll go back to my work, whatever editing or uploading, because she uploads most of the time around evening. I've noticed that. So yeah, around evening I'll upload and do all
लोगों को
that
लगेगा
jazz.
मैं बहुत बड़ी इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ, ऐसा
If
कुछ
I,
भी नहीं है. आई वर्क
no,
एज
but she
स्लीप
manages a lot of accounts and she has built it
a
from
lot
scratch.
of.
It is. She has built it from scratch,
Yeah, so
made a
that
business
is.
out of it, which is a big task nowadays. So proud of you.
Thank you.
You.
Thank you.
Even though I'm a girlfriend, but you.
Thank you.
So yeah, after doing all that, after uploading, after packing orders or if there is any, then I'll focus on my dinner की क्या खाना है, because this is one hot topic at in her house. क्या खाना है dinner में, क्या खाना है यार, तू बता, नहीं तू बता. So this will happen for an hour, and after that they will have something to eat, and then I'll come back from my office. We'll do FaceTime and XYZ, and then we'll sleep and go to bed like a sane person around 1 or maybe 12:30 or maybe max to max 2. She's ignoring me because she knows this
No,
is
I'm
how the
not ignoring.
day should be.
I'm not ignoring you. I'm just like, okay, interesting. ठीक है. That was something.
Something as
I don't
in
know the word, but that was something. Okay,
amazing
so now we are gonna do a this or that करके, but you will have to answer.
on your behalf.
Yeah, and I will
Okay,
answer on your behalf.
my behalf. Okay,
Like
this
we'll have the same set of key. So you'll have to say ki what Shruti will choose, and I will say what Aniket will choose.
makes sense.
ठीक
Yeah.
है? So the first is tea or coffee.
Oh, what Shruti would choose.
Yeah.
Okay, देख ले मैं अभी अपना बोलता. Tea for sure. I mean, I'll. Why are you so? I mean, you are in comparison of both of us. You are the one who
I do
has,
have chai a lot, but I will like I. Okay, so the
like
thing is
whenever we
ki
go out, she like to have coffee, of course. But at home, like I would say this is something which
yes.
is her peace beverage. Ki हाँ, I want to have
हाँ
tea.
मतलब I think I'm very particular about my tea because I don't.
That's why I said tea.
No, but I prefer coffee ना in general
Oh,
तो.
okay, makes sense.
Because even if we are having something, तो I make cold coffee घर पे ही.
But when I picture you in my mind, I see you as a tea gal,
Of course, even
not as a coffee
I
person.
know I do love tea. It's just कि cold coffee like coffees is a little more regular
Hmm.
drinks. जैसे चाय में बाहर जाके जैसे मैं कैफे में जाके नहीं पी
Of
पाऊंगी.
course,
Like
of
it's not
course,
the vibe.
of course.
It's just not giving.
All right. What
Yeah.
about your boyfriend?
Coffee, of course. He's a chai person on trips. That is what I've noticed.
So
तो
whenever I go, yeah. So
हाँ तो लाइक अभी तक हमें जब तक हम यहाँ हैं नॉर्मल डेज में ठंड हो रही है कुछ भी हो रहा है मेरे घर में देयर इज दिस ओके सो वी कैन हैव चाय एनी टाइम सुबह दोपहर शाम रात एंड वन थिंग अबाउट मी एंड माय फैमिली इन जनरल इज कि चाय के साथ हम प्रॉपर मील खा सकते हैं लाइक एज अ मे बी वी कैन हैव इट एज अ लंच वी कैन हैव इट एज अ डिनर लाइक अब वो कैसे होगा जैसे
true.
चाय के साथ ब्रेड खा ली या फिर मे बी पराठे खा लिए तो समथिंग लाइक दैट
समोसे खा लिए,
समोसे खा लिए
सब्जी कचौड़ी मंगा ली,
Yeah.
the whole meal and chai on the sides.
And for Aniket, it was a very new concept. तो उसने देखा and he's like कि ये क्या खा रहे हो तुम? And I'm like
Why
कि
these guys? There is
it is
a
very
table.
normal पता है.
There is a table filled with all the snacks, जिसमें समोसे and all etc etc, and they have their own shop. तो पता नहीं क्या क्या snacks रखे हुए हैं, and इतना ग्लास भर भर के चाय, मैंने कहा what the heck, ये तो पहली बार देख रहा हूँ.
यार ये चाय वाली क्वांटिटी तो इज माय मॉम्स फॉल्ट शी इज वेरी
Yeah.
कि दूध पीते रहो वाला पर्सन तो वो ना ऐसे बिकॉज हम अब बड़े हो गए हैं तो हम और किसी वे में तो दूध नहीं पीते तो व्हेनेवर शी मेक्स चाय या कॉफी कुछ भी शी जस्ट मेक्स इट लाइक अ बिग मग
Which
हमारे घर
kills the
में
दूध, but
और
that's
हाँ
okay,
दैट इज
mom.
लाइक नो वाटर
But that's okay, it's her love.
या अभी बोल रहा
नहीं
है
नहीं भाई क्या चीज.
Okay. Next is Instagram or Pinterest.
Oh, see, I'm not a
You have to
social
answer for
media.
me.
Okay, for you.
Of course, like you
Okay.
are Shruti, na?
Oh yeah.
Answer on my behalf.
I would say Instagram. But it is something which you like, or it is something where you spend most of your time at. The question depends. Because
What I prefer?
if I'll say,
What I like the most?
okay, if we are talking about like, then it will be Pinterest, of course, because she finds most of the creative things there. Even it will be for me as well, because I love Pinterest. I used to think of it as a girl sort of app.
तो तू है girly तो अगर वो girls will happen you are a girly pop.
Okay, I am. But yeah, Pinterest for me as well in that case too.
उसने तो खुद ही आंसर दे दिया. There is no
Yeah,
point. Sweet or salty?
of course. Sweet.
Salty. Because that is who
Oh,
he
for
is.
me, no. Okay,
I'm
हाँ यार
asking
मैं
on your.
कंफ्यूज हो जा रहा हूँ कि I thought you
Do
opposed.
you see our differences like in general?
Yeah.
Okay. Summer or winter? It should not be that difficult for the both of us, I think.
Oh, for me it's winter, of course.
For Shruti, you have to answer, dumbass.
For Shruti, it's also winter. Shruti never
Let's
like.
just ask his opinion on both of
या
us.
मैं बार
It's
बार अपना ही
okay.
बोलूंगा.
No, no, it's okay. Let's just ask
Sorry
him.
guys, sorry.
Okay, road trip or air travel? That's interesting. That's
For me,
interesting.
it's gonna be road trip always.
Do you wanna tell them the maybe backstory about it? We'll have
Yeah.
a quick
I-
story
I'll,
time.
I'll tell you one thing about myself. I love road trips in general. Maybe if it's a bike trip, if it's a car trip, because I like the idea that whenever I want, I can just stop in between and have something to eat, or maybe just stop and look at the nature and etc. etc. But one thing about air trips or airplane, I am very scared.
He's scared of it.
I'm
Basically, I'll
I'm
tell. ये
I'm
बहुत
very
sugarcoat कर
scared
रहा है.
of it. I'm
So last year we went on a trip to Goa, and it was his and my both of our first time traveling in an airplane.
yeah.
And I was really excited because even though I'm like I think I'm afraid of heights, I have not experienced it अभी अच्छे से, so I don't know that. But I
Hmm.
think I'm afraid of heights. But I'm like, oh my god, it'll be so fun, you. And he was also like that. But as soon as the plane started, oh my god, his face changed. Like 12 बज चुके थे इसके चेहरे के. And I'm like, are you okay? क्या हो गया? Is everything okay? He's like, नहीं मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. मुझे अच्छा. Oh my god.
And that is something which was new for everyone, because I am one of those guys जो मतलब
He's
इसके
like not afraid of anything.
and
He's
yeah.
a very कि let's do this, let's do that. And I'm very डरपोक. मैं बोलूंगी नहीं नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं करते, ऐसे देख दाख के चलते हैं, let's not do that. He's like इसको आज बोलो कल चलना है, let's just go. And I'm like नहीं, I need like ऐसे 24 hours तो मुझे दे, outfits plan करना है.
And it is it's this is only the fear of aeroplane, because I've
Okay, so he has a reason for it. We talked about it I think few days back, and he told me his what he has analysis
analyzed whatever
दोनों.
analyzed.
Yeah, what that. तो
Uh,
बेसिकली ही इज लाइक कि अगर हम प्लेन से मर रहे हैं तो हम मर के कहाँ जाएंगे. ही इज अफ्रेड ऑफ द ओशन बेसिकली. तो ही
so
इज लाइक इफ वी आर ऑन द ओशन, टर्बुलेंस वगैरह ज्यादा है, तो इफ अगर कुछ होता है हो जाते तो आई एम जस्ट मैं गिर के कहाँ जाऊंगा
so I'm
ओशन में.
basically afraid of ocean. If the plane is traveling on land, I don't have an issue. वो गिर के building में चली जाए, I don't have an issue. But if it is going in a ocean, then there is a chance of me not dying instantly, but just being there in the airplane and in the ocean and going deep and deep inside. So that is something which is terrifying for me. And in general, plane is terrifying for me, because I've been I have traveled in helicopter twice, but I never felt that क्या कहते हैं, fear. Even I enjoyed it like one of the best experience. But with airplane, no, not at all. No, big no for
It's
me.
okay. Okay, so we are gonna wrap this episode up by a
कितनी जल्दी?
quick.
Let's talk about more things.
Maybe we can have another episode with you.
Why not?
You can be our permanent guest.
No.
Yes, as if he has a say in it. Okay, so let's end this with a quick this or that. You have to choose. You have to remember that you're choosing it on me. Ki what Shruti will.
Okay.
Okay.
And it's gonna be a rapid fire sort of a thing.
Yeah, jaldi like this
Chalo.
or this.
Let's go.
City or beach.
Beach.
Cat or dog.
Dog.
Reading or watching.
Reading.
Okay, movies or series?
Movies.
Okay, sunset or sunrise?
Sunset, because she won't wake up for sunrise.
Okay, cook or dine in?
Um, cook or dine in?
Like घर पे बना,
Okay,
sorry,
going
dine
some
out.
dine. Why, of course.
Dine in वही होता है.
No, it's
Okay, so dine in or dine out?
dine in.
Okay.
Oh no, dine. Oh yeah, it is very. पता है, these questions are very subjective.
Also,
But yeah, dine out, dine out.
city and beach में से beach,
I mean, better than
beach,
city, Babu. Come on,
beach.
yaar.
Seriously, beach.
City,
Seriously, the
seriously.
humidity.
City, Delhi pollution, Babu.
I love Delhi. Please,
I mean, I love
I
Delhi
love
too,
Delhi.
but
Please,
okay.
beach can never top Delhi. The
Of course,
momos
of
we get
course,
यहाँ पे beach में कहाँ मिलेंगे? कैसी बातें
of
कर रहा
course.
है?
But beach, अच्छा नहीं, you are not a. ठीक है, makes sense. Makes
Okay.
sense.
So yeah, that was good. 6 years, still a lot to learn, but it's okay.
We have each other for life.
We'll see.
I'll keep,
Jokes, jokes,
I'll keep on learning.
jokes, jokes.
So yeah, that's all for today's episode.
Do you wanna say something to them?
To them,
Yeah, to the
that
audience.
yeah, keep watching, keep liking the video, keep commenting. Uh, tell her tell her some good insights about how she can improve, but she's doing really well, and I'm so proud of her. And yes, love you. All the best.
Thank you.
That's all.
बताओ हमारे इंस्टाग्राम का चैनल का नाम तो बता. प्रमोशन कर सही से.
Your channel name?
My conversation.
Yeah, conversation on couch is her channel, and of course you're watching this on that hopefully, or maybe Instagram audience, maybe we don't know. So yeah, go and follow her.
Yes, and okay, so thank you so much for watching this episode. And if you like this and if you maybe want more videos with him, we can do that. You
We can,
can share your suggestions or comments or anything in the comments section down below. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thank
because
you
we have a
for.
lot to talk about. We have been together for 6 years. Bye bye. Love you.
Okay, bye.
So this is what I deal with every day.
This is what I deal with every day. Do you see?
What? इतनी तेज मारा था
मारा है उन्हें क्या पता चल रहा है